Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore checkout page settings in Shopify, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore checkout page settings in Shopify, begin by logging into your Shopify admin account. Navigate to the settings section, located at the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Click on checkout from the settings options available. In the checkout settings area, review the existing configurations for the checkout process. To reset to default settings, scroll to the bottom of the page. Look for the option labeled Restore Defaults or Reset to Defaults. Click on this option to initiate the restoration process. A prompt may appear asking for confirmation of this action. Confirm your choice to proceed with restoring the default settings. The checkout page settings will now revert to the original defaults provided by Shopify. Once the restoration is complete, make sure to review the settings again. Adjust any additional preferences according to your store's requirements. When satisfied with the settings, scroll to the top of the page and click Save. This will ensure that all the changes are applied to your checkout process. Test the checkout process by going through it as a customer to ensure everything works as expected. If any issues arise, revisit the checkout settings and make necessary adjustments. Document any customizations you wish to reapply later after the reset. This way, you can easily restore any preferred settings in the future. Once everything is confirmed to be functioning properly, you successfully restored your checkout page settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.